Okay, let's be honest. If you clicked on this video, your wallet's probably on life support. Payday hits, and 24 hours later, you're like, where did it all go? You're standing in the grocery store doing mental gymnastics like, if I skip the creamer, I can still afford toilet paper. Yeah, I've been there. We've all been there. Being broke doesn't mean you're bad with money. It just means you're using the same strategy that worked back when rent was cheaper and eggs weren't $5 a carton. So today, we're fixing that. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial jargon, just real, practical tips that actually work in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Get brutally honest with yourself. Before you can fix your finances, you need to see your finances. Grab your phone, open Notes or Google Sheets, and write down every single thing you spend money on. Rent, groceries, gas, Wi-Fi, that essential Spotify premium, and yes, even that $6 iced latte you swear helps you focus. Because those little daily "it's just a few bucks" moments, they quietly turn into "why am I broke again" moments. Then list your income. Everything from your main job, freelance gigs, side hustles, to selling stuff online. Now compare. If your expenses are higher than your income, and honestly, that's most people right now, don't panic. That's your baseline. That's what we're about to fix. Step 2. Create a bare-bones budget. When you're broke, forget the fancy budgeting systems. You need what I call financial survival mode, only the essentials. That means no impulse Amazon checkouts, no DoorDash because I'm tired. No, I'll just grab something real quick spending sprees. This is your reset phase, short-term financial rehab. Once you're stable, you can slowly add things back. Step 3. Give every dollar a job. This one's a game changer. It's called zero-based budgeting, and it basically means every single dollar you earn has a specific job before you spend it. Say you earn $2,500 this month. You plan exactly where it's going. $1,000 for rent, $300 for groceries, $150 for utilities, $100 for savings, $50 for fun, etc. You're not broke, you're intentional. Because when your money doesn't have a job, guess what? It quits and runs off to Starbucks or Amazon. If you want to make this easy, use apps like YNAB, Mint, or Monzo. Go old school with a notebook. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Step 4. Cut expenses without feeling miserable. Cutting back doesn't mean you have to live off instant noodles and tears. It just means being smarter about your choices. Here's how. Cook more at home. A $20 takeout meal can be replaced by a $5 home-cooked pasta that lasts 2 days. Buy store brands. Most of them come from the same factories as name brands, just with less fancy packaging. Use cashback and reward apps. Honey, Rakuten, and bank rewards programs actually make a difference. Cancel unused subscriptions. Do you really need Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Max all at once? Swap luxury for free. Replace Spotify Premium with free playlists or YouTube mixes. And here's a mini challenge. Pretend your income dropped by 10%. Try living on that smaller amount and save the rest. You'll be shocked how fast small changes add up. Step 5. Build a mini emergency fund. I know, save money sounds impossible when you barely have any. Your goal isn't to build a massive emergency fund right away. It's to create a financial cushion that keeps you from falling into more debt when life happens, because it will. Start small. That $100 might save you from a credit card swipe next time your car battery dies or your dog needs the vet. Once you hit your first goal, celebrate. Not with a shopping spree, but maybe with your favorite snack. That's progress. Step 6. Find ways to earn more. There's only so much you can cut. At some point, you've got to make more. The good news? It's 2025. There are more side hustles than ever. Here are some real, legit ideas. Freelance on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Writing, video editing, design, admin work. Sell used items or digital products on Facebook Marketplace, Vinted, Etsy, or Gumroad. Drive or deliver for Uber Eats, DoorDash, Deliveroo, or Instacart. Tutor online via Preply, Cambly, or Superprof. Or start a YouTube or TikTok side hustle. Yes, it takes time, but it's a real income stream. Step 7. Automate everything. Here's the thing. Relying on willpower to save is like relying on one slice of pizza to stop at one slice. It's not going to happen. So, automate your money. Set up auto transfers to savings right when your paycheck hits. If you never see it, you won't miss it. Apps like Revolut, Chime, Monzo, or N26 can automatically round up your purchases and save the spare change. It's effortless, and that's the point. Step 8. Be patient and give yourself grace. Here's the truth. If you're broke right now, it didn't happen overnight, and getting out of it won't either. Some months you'll crush your budget. Other months you'll cave and order sushi. That's okay. You're human. What matters is that you're trying. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's freedom. It's not about having less. It's about finally knowing where your money's going. So celebrate the small wins. Paid off a credit card? That's huge. Made all your meals at home this week? Amazing. Saved your first $50? You're already miles ahead of where you started. Remember, being broke is temporary, but learning to manage money when you have nothing, that's a superpower that'll change your entire future. If you can learn to budget while you're broke, you'll be unstoppable when you're not. So don't give up. You're not failing, you're just rebuilding. And if this video gave you a little boost or a new game plan, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Because every week, I share more no BS money tips to help you make smarter financial moves in 2025. Now tell me in the comments, what's the hardest part of budgeting for you right now? Let's talk about it, and let's get through this together. Thank you for watching.